Why does the necessary and proper clause impact states' rights? Imagine a nation where the central government has the power to create laws that influence every aspect of daily life, while individual states retain their own authority over local matters. This balance of power is a fundamental aspect of the United States Constitution. One of the key provisions that shapes this relationship is the necessary and proper clause, found in Article 1, Section 8, Clause 18. This clause grants Congress the authority to pass laws that are necessary and proper for executing its enumerated powers. The impact of this clause on states' rights stems from its broad and flexible language. It allows Congress to enact legislation that goes beyond the specific powers listed in the Constitution if those laws are deemed essential for carrying out those powers. For example, while the Constitution explicitly grants Congress the power to regulate commerce among the states, the necessary and proper clause has been used to justify laws related to banking, transportation, and even environmental regulation. This expansion of federal authority can sometimes encroach upon areas traditionally managed by state governments, such as education or local law enforcement. Historically, debates over the scope of the necessary and proper clause have influenced the balance of power between federal and state governments. During the early years of the nation, some believed that the clause should be narrowly interpreted to limit federal overreach. Others argued that a flexible interpretation was necessary to adapt to the evolving needs of the country. Court decisions have played a significant role in shaping this interpretation. For instance, the landmark case of McCulloch v. Maryland in 1819 established that Congress has implied powers beyond those explicitly listed, as long as they are in pursuit of constitutional ends. This decision reinforced federal authority but also raised concerns about diminishing state sovereignty. The tension between federal power and states' rights continues today, often centered around issues like health care, gun control, and environmental policies. The necessary and proper clause remains a powerful tool for Congress to address complex issues that cross state boundaries. However, it also prompts ongoing discussions about the limits of federal authority and the preservation of states' autonomy. Ultimately, the clause's impact on states' rights is rooted in its ability to expand federal legislative power, which can sometimes challenge the traditional roles and responsibilities assigned to state governments.